Hi babe, Assalamualaikum. My name is LIN ARIFFIN. Welcome back to my channel if you are already here. But if you're new here, consider to subscribe, comment, like and also share this video, okay? Alright, so what will you normally see on my channel? It's all about fashion, motherhood and also lifestyle. But today I'm going to talk about toy rotation by Montessori. So why it is so important about toys rotation? Yes, that is what we're going to discuss today, alright? Okay, so dulu I did not really have a proper knowledge on toys management. Kita ingat macam okay, beli toys and then budak-budak main macam tu je kan. So kita beli toys and then I bought multiple big boxes and then we threw them all the toys in the boxes kan. And I noticed that my son Idris was not really engaging with the toys. Yang tu I perasan, okay? And yeah, definitely bila kita buat macam tu kita macam there was a lot of dumping throwing tau. Tak ada macam like a proper adab ataupun proper procedure that after anak you main, anak you letak toys tu dekat tempat yang sepatutnya, you know, and it's all in order. Tak ada. Lepas main semua scoop up all the toys and then threw them all back dekat dalam boxes kan. So I was thinking, is there any better way? Ada jalan yang lebih produktif ataupun efficient tak ataupun efektif tak? Sebab I tak nampak macam ada engagement antara anak I dengan his toys except for few toys yang dia memang suka, contohnya macam Rex. Okay, so now I use open shelves to display Idris toys instead of using the big boxes. There are multiple reasons behind it why in Montessori we use the open shelves to display our kids' toys. Okay, the first one is respect. Asal pula, apa kena mungkin dengan respect? Okay, respect lah. Okay, our kids will look after their toys and then everything has its place. Okay, and it will be in order. Okay, so kita akan perasan kalau kita letak dekat open shelves ni, kita akan perasan kalau ada anything yang missing ke, you know, ataupun yang rosak dan sebagainya yang need repair, so we can see from the open shelves. Okay, so when we respect something, we will take care of it. So itulah apa yang Montessori nak bagi tahu kat sini. When you respect your toys, you will take good care of the toys. Okay, the second one is order. If you perasan kalau you pergi Montessori school, they have this open shelves kan. So bila main, kadang-kadang ada tray juga. Okay, so bila anak-anak nak main, they will pick up the tray and then they will go to like some places and then they will sit there and they play. Okay, and then after diorang habis main, they will put back all the materials on the tray and then they carry the tray back to the shelf. Okay, so that's the SOP, that's the procedure. So ada flow dia. Dan dia ada adab dia lah. So kita tak akan tinggalkan all the materials or toys on the floor ataupun apparatus on the floor. Okay, the third one is accessibility. Okay, but remember, speaking of accessibility, make sure that whatever shelves, open shelves that you are going to buy, make sure that it's within easy reach. Okay, so tengok dari perspektif anak-anak. Okay, anak kita punya level sampai ke tak. Okay, jangan beli yang terlampau tinggi, nanti akan bagi risiko kepada anak-anak. So make sure that whenever you buy the open shelf, make sure that it's within easy reach and your child can see all of the toys at a glance. Okay, so it's very important to make sure that you buy the correct open shelf for your kids. Okay, so the third one is accessibility. Okay, so the next one is satisfying and minimalist. Okay, so we try to avoid to overwhelm our child with so many toys at one time. Okay, so in order for us to find during specialize in what, okay, what skills that they have, we have to see from the fewer materials that we display on the shelves. Okay, so kalau dia terlampau banyak, we really cannot discover mana satu yang dia suka. Dia pun akan overwhelmed dengan materials that we put on the shelves. Okay, so kalau boleh put few materials or toys on the shelves in order for us to see apa dia punya interest. Okay, so the next one is easier for the child to clean up lah. Okay, and diorang akan tahu that everything has a place. Okay, so diorang akan letak balik dekat tempat sepatutnya in order kan. Okay, and by having this open shelves, it teaches our kids responsibilities. So tidy up is expected. And also, bila kita guna shelves ni nampak lagi tenang, okay? Macam less chaotic environment, okay? Because everything has its place and ada order. So nampak lagi tenang kan, dan kita tahu apa yang nak kemas dulu, nak letak apa kat sini, nak letak apa kat situ, okay? And the last one is more appealing. Okay, more appealing of course. So kita letak dekat shelf macam tu, dia nampak lebih cantik, nampak lagi beautiful. So it attracts the kids to play. Alright, so just now I have mentioned to you all the benefits of using open shelf instead of big boxes, and now I'm gonna share with you 6 steps of creating inspiring and peaceful play area for your kids at home. Okay, so step 1 is to observe. Okay, bila tibanya anak you punya playtime, you quietly sit aside and then you take notebook, pen, pencil ke kan, you jot down. Itu pun dalam kepala you je lah, you tengok. Okay, you observe which toys that interest him the most, mana toys yang dia langsung tak guna. You have to figure out kenapa dia tak guna. Maybe sebab the toys need developmental skills ke, ataupun dia tak ada skills untuk guna toys tu, dia tak tahu kan. So obvious developmental skills that your kids are working on, you kena observe benda tu, so that you tahu anak you minat apa, anak you punya skill sekarang macam mana. So bila dia dah master certain toys tu, the next toys apa yang you kena beli. So you must know the step by step lah. Okay, and kalau dia dah mastered the toys, you have to rotate. You have to rotate the toys. Kalau anak tu tak guna langsung the toys, you really have to figure out kenapa. You know, you kadang-kadang you boleh keep dulu. Again, lepas 2 minggu macam tu, you keluarkan balik toys tu, letak dekat shelf, and then probably masa tu dia dah ada interest in that toys. You really need to observe benda-benda macam ni. So the step 1 is to observe, is very important. Okay, so the second step. Okay, the second step is to assess. Tak ramai orang buat benda ni, but I think it's crucial juga. Okay, so di mana when your child are not around, you bentangkan semua all the toys that they have, and then you categorize them all. Okay, probably certain category you should donate ataupun pre-love some of the toys yang diorang dah mastered, your kids dah tak ada interest in. Okay, probably you can just let them go. Okay, another category yang paling dia suka, yang he or she masih ada interest in, yang paling diorang suka lah, macam anak I dinosaur kan, I will never let them go. So you keep that. Okay, and apa lagi yang bagi dia sort of like creativity, yang boleh mengembangkan dia punya perkembangan otak kan, so keep them. Okay, ada lagi satu kategori yang probably you still need to figure out kenapa dia tak usik, kenapa dia tak reti main. So ada banyak categories that, okay, you have to assess all the toys. Lepas tu at the end of the day, apa yang tinggal itu akan createkan satu environment yang inspiring and also peaceful untuk your kids. Okay, so tak overwhelm sangat. So assess the toys carefully. Alright, and the next step is, okay, so the third one is to prepare. Okay, dalam Montessori, prepared environment is very important to foster independence kan. So bila you prepare, make sure that you tengok daripada perspektif anak-anak kita. Okay, adakah senang dia nak capai, accessibility dia macam mana. Okay, so when you prepare, you kena tahu anak-anak kita ni membesar kan. So bila dia membesar, keperluan dia pun berbeza. Okay, dia ikut age dia. Okay, according to the age lah. So you kena envision, you kena have a clear picture diorang punya keperluan mengikut umur. Okay, so kalau diorang perlukan low shelves, you sediakan low shelves. Kalau diorang perlukan baskets, you know, untuk like small pieces equipments, sediakan. Okay, kalau perlu you categorizekan small, medium, large or big sorting storage tu, sediakan untuk diorang. So all this you really need to prepare for them in order for them to be independent and for them to be creative. Okay, dan belajar sambil bermain. Macam tu. Okay, so this is the fun part lah. Okay, the step 4 is to select. Okay, so macam mana nak select tu, kita look back over our observation notes yang kita buat masa the first step tu kan, kita ada observation notes kan, and then consider lah the toys yang kita punya anak suka, yang dia ada, yang dia selalu guna. Okay, so think about which ones they would appreciate most at this time lah. Macam Idris, dia punya apa tu, dia punya dinosaurs and then this kind of thing, dia memang suka lah. Okay, so kalau boleh keep the options minimal. Okay, very minimal. So rather than kita letak semua dekat atas shelves tu, kalau boleh select only a few lah. Okay, so this will basically vary depending on their age and how much time they spend at home lah. Okay, so kita akan dapat we will get a better feel for the selection process as time goes on. Okay, just remember, macam kita selalu dengar apa tu, less really is more. Okay, less is more. So yang ni tak adalah hanya options are very minimal, so tak adalah macam semua overwhelm the shelf kan. Okay, then the step 5. Okay, and then step 5 is to guide lah. Okay, so once the room is prepared, the environment is prepared, you invite your child in and get him to see all the changes that you have made. Okay, lepas tu kena explain your expectation. Okay, after you dah provide, you have provided this minimalist play area, tell them that after main kena clean up. So tell them your expectation. Okay, I have provided you this environment, this play area, and what you have to do after you have done main semua, you have to clean up. So tell them your expectation. Okay, tell your kids your expectation. And then kalau dia macam kecil lagi, macam 1-2 tahun kan, we can't really instruct them ataupun order them to do so. So what you need to do is to model to them, so to show example lah, macam mana you clean up and stuff like that. Okay, so at least for first few days, kalau you baru set up macam ni, first few days you really need okay, after macam apa, for the first few days tu you kena guide lah your kids. Okay, and then I am planning to buy macam apa tu orang kata cleaning supplies, macam apa tu, penyodok lah, penyapu untuk budak-budak and stuff like that. So kalau dia buat selipah ke kan, dia boleh clean sendirilah, cuci sendiri. Okay. Okay, so the last and the sixth step is to repeat lah. Okay, so one of the biggest questions yang parents selalu tanya how often should we rotate the toys? Okay, ada macam-macam sebenarnya, tapi kalau kita baca Montessori book yang Lin selalu baca tu, dia kata once a month would be better. Okay, so in the days leading up to kita punya next toy rotation ni, kita kena tengok balik notebook kita, recall balik observation kita kan. Kita akan notice there are toys our child is very interested in, toys yang kita wish to leave out, and macam-macam lagi tu toys yang kita boleh orang kata put in certain categories lah. So repeat this, kena meet the current needs and interests of our child lah sebenarnya. Alright, so that's all mummies and daddies.